Welcome to our channel. If you want to change privacy settings on the IRS Online account system, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your personal information and account security preferences. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to irs.gov, the official IRS website. Step 2. Click on Sign into your online account or Get your tax records to access the secure login portal. Step 3. Click Sign into your online account and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first through ID.me verification. Step 4. Complete the multi-factor authentication process by entering the verification code sent to your phone or email. Step 5. Once logged in, look for Account Settings or Profile Settings in the navigation menu. Step 6. Click on Security and Privacy, or similar option to access privacy-related settings. Step 7. Review communication preferences to control how the IRS contacts you regarding your account and tax information. Step 8. Adjust notification settings to choose what types of alerts you want to receive about your account activity. Step 9. Review third-party access permissions if you've granted any tax professionals or software access to your account, and revoke access if necessary. Step 10. Update your contact information including email, phone number, and mailing address to ensure you receive important IRS communications. Step 11. Save all changes and log out securely when finished managing your privacy settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.